Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and today I am going to be participating in a challenge that is hosted by Denise Jordan at This and That with Denise Jordan and Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. As well as a sister circle. So what we're doing is for the next few weeks, every Wednesday, we are going to be uploading a cooking vlog. We will be uploading these videos. They will be shared on a single playlist. You will be able to go in and check out the host channel as well as the other participants in this challenge. So this week, what I'm going to be sharing is a dessert that I've created. So this is called quarantine cooking. That's the name of this challenge if I didn't mention that. So what I have prepared is this dessert here that is a yummy, I'm gonna call it a strawberry shortcake. It is a dessert that my mom used to make when I was a child. It is a very simple recipe and it is not bad for a diet. So if you're interested in a lower fat dessert that is absolutely delicious, then just keep watching.
Now I'm starting with washing some strawberries. Normally I use frozen strawberries, but they didn't have them at the grocery store, so I got fresh strawberries and I'm just cleaning them up real good here. And then I'm gonna cut them up and I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of sugar on them just so that they can create their own juices, similar to the frozen strawberries that I would have purchased. So that's what I'm doing. You can also use mandarin oranges. When my mom used to make it, she always used the mandarin oranges in the can, or the strawberries depending, but you can use any fruit that you really want to use. So I'm just preparing the strawberries, gonna put the sugar on there. They're gonna sit for a couple hours just so that they can create the juice. And then I'll be moving on to the next step. Now, like I said, this is a very simple recipe. It does have jello in it, so the time for it to be prepared is the time that it would take for jello to gel. So you also need an angel food cake, some orange sherbet, and you'll notice all of these items are relatively low in calories. So that's why I said it's not bad on your diet. Some plain strawberry jello. Again, if you're using some other fruit like the mandarin oranges, you could use orange jello. I'm using some Cool Whip. Now, I could have gotten the light Cool Whip, but I just got the regular Cool Whip. So you could have saved yourself a few calories there. And then orange sherbet, which of course is pretty low in calorie, relatively speaking. So those are all your ingredients in addition to your fruit that you're going to use. And so what you do is you take your jello and you prepare it almost like you would normally be preparing. You put your hot water in and then you mix it up regularly like you're making it. And that's 2 cups of hot water because that's a larger package of the jello. And then I have my old school vintage mixer, hand mixer that I have had for probably pretty close to 30 years, if not more than that. I'm dating myself here, but that is my original mixer and it is still going strong. I paid $4.50 for this mixer. It still has the price tag on the box. But anyway, I digress. You mix up your jello. I use only 1 cup of the cold water and I'll show you why in a second. Now you take your angel food cake and you dump it into your dish that you're going to put this in. And of course my hands have been thoroughly washed. You break apart your angel food cake because that is going to be, not the crust, but a major part of your dish. So that's going to give you your shortcake portion of it. So you just break that apart in your dish there, and you're going to make sure that you have it all covered up just because that's the deliciousness of it. I just love the angel food cake part of it. So you just do that. Fill it up as best you can. It doesn't matter if not everything is filled up, but it'll look similar to that. And then you go ahead and you put your orange sherbet into your jello. So I've had 2 cups of hot water, 1 cup of cold water, And then I am going to put 4 scoops of orange sherbet ice cream into it. I'm only showing 3 there, but I did go back and put another scoop in there. So 4 scoops of orange sherbet, and you just blend that up. And then you pour your strawberries into your mixture and just stir it up. And you are almost completely finished with this dish. So you stir your fruit into the jello mixture really well. And then after that, you just simply pour it over your angel food cake that's in your dish. And once you've done that, you will put it into the refrigerator. You would allow it to gel, for the jello to set. And then once your jello is set, it is 99% done. The only thing that you do next is to add your Cool Whip on top of it. So I'm putting all the mixture on there. I'm going to press that down a little bit to make sure that the sponge cake or angel food cake is absorbing the jello mixture. So that's what I'm doing here. And I will then cover it with some saran wrap and put it into the fridge and let that jello set. The thing that I like most about this is, it's not bad for your diet, but it really is good. I really do like it because it's very refreshing, especially on a really warm day, and it's relatively easy to make. So now the jello has had an opportunity to set, and I just take the plastic off of it and spread the Cool Whip over top, and then it is ready to be enjoyed. And again, I said it tastes very much like a strawberry shortcake. I don't know what it's actually called, but that's what it is for me. And it's really good. I enjoy it. I hope that you will try it. I hope that you will enjoy it as well. I would like to thank Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan, and Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, as well as the Sister Circle for hosting this quarantine challenge. In these times where we're home a lot more than normal, we are probably all looking for new things to try, to taste for our families, because you kind of, getting tired of your old faithfuls or whatever. So this is a nice dish to try for a nice dessert. Mother's Day is coming up. This is something that's really yummy. I really enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.